Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learnivo, your friendly place to practice natural English for the IELTS speaking test. Today's topic is one that everyone can relate to, housework and cooking. Doing chores and preparing meals may sound ordinary, but they're full of great vocabulary and ideas you can use in your IELTS test. In this practice, you'll hear real IELTS-style questions with clear, fluent, and natural answers that range from everyday routines to family habits and modern lifestyles. So let's begin today's IELTS speaking practice on housework and cooking.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Daniel, and I'll be your examiner today. Could you please tell me your full name?
My name is Alice Smith.
Thank you. And may I see your identification, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. That's fine. Now, in this first part, I'd like to ask you a few questions about housework and cooking. Do you usually do any housework?
Yes, I do. I usually help around the house every day. I wash the dishes after meals, tidy my room, and sometimes do the laundry. I think it's important to keep my living space clean because it helps me stay organized and relaxed.
Do you often do housework?
Yes, quite often. I try to spend at least 20 or 30 minutes each day doing small chores. During weekends, I clean the kitchen, mop the floors, and change the bed sheets. It doesn't feel like a burden anymore. It's just part of my daily routine.
Do you do some cooking at home?
Yes, I cook several times a week. I usually prepare simple meals like pasta, rice dishes, or grilled chicken with vegetables. Cooking at home is healthier, and it's also a great way to save money. Plus, it feels satisfying when the food turns out well.
Did you do some house cleaning when you were young?
Yes, my parents always encouraged me to help out with small chores. When I was a child, I used to set the table, make my bed, and sometimes help water the plants. It taught me responsibility from an early age.
Do you have breakfast at home every day?
Most of the time, yes. I prefer to have breakfast at home because it's fresh and peaceful. I usually have eggs, fruit, or cereal with milk. Eating breakfast at home also saves time and keeps me from buying junk food later in the day.
Do you want to learn how to cook well?
Yes, absolutely. I think cooking is an essential life skill. I can cook the basics, but I'd like to learn how to make more complicated dishes like curries or homemade bread. Watching cooking videos online really inspires me to improve.
Do you think your home is clean and tidy?
I'd say it's fairly clean. I try to keep things in order. I make my bed every morning and clean up after myself. Of course, it gets messy sometimes when I'm busy, but I always make time to tidy up before the weekend.
Do you feel it's important to help your parents with the housework?
Yes, definitely. Helping parents with housework shows respect and appreciation. It also reduces their stress because house chores can be exhausting. I believe everyone in the family should share the responsibility of keeping the home clean.
Do you like doing housework?
To be honest, not always, but I don't hate it either. Some tasks are relaxing, like folding clothes or washing dishes while listening to music. Others, like scrubbing the bathroom, are less enjoyable. But overall, it gives me a sense of order and accomplishment.
What housework do you like to do?
I like cooking and organizing things. I enjoy cleaning the kitchen and rearranging furniture or shelves. It makes the house feel new and fresh. I also love doing laundry. I find the smell of clean clothes really comforting.
Is there any housework you dislike doing?
Yes, I really dislike ironing clothes. It takes a long time and requires so much attention. If I'm in a hurry, it feels stressful. I also don't enjoy cleaning the bathroom because it's tiring and not very pleasant.
What's your least favorite household chore?
Without a doubt, cleaning the bathroom. It's the hardest and least appealing task. But I still do it because it's necessary to keep the house hygienic. I usually play some music to make it less boring.
Who usually does the housework in your home?
In my home, everyone shares the responsibilities. I do most of the cooking and cleaning, while others take care of laundry and grocery shopping. I think dividing the tasks makes everything easier and more balanced.
When you were a child, did you ever do any housework?
Yes, I did. My parents taught me from a young age to help out. I used to wash dishes, dust the furniture, and help my mom prepare meals. Those small habits have stayed with me, and now I naturally do them without thinking.
Do you think children should learn to do housework?
Yes, definitely. Learning housework teaches children independence and responsibility. It also helps them appreciate what parents do every day. Even simple tasks like setting the table or cleaning their room can build discipline and teamwork.
What benefits do children gain from doing housework?
Children who do housework tend to be more responsible and organized. It helps them learn time management and problem-solving skills. They also develop a sense of pride when they complete tasks successfully. It builds confidence and maturity.
Do you think people should be paid to do household chores?
That's an interesting question. I don't think family members should be paid for basic housework because it's a shared responsibility. But giving children small rewards for helping can motivate them to participate more actively.
Do people in your country have much time to do housework?
Not really. Many people have busy schedules and work long hours, so they usually do most of the housework on weekends. Some families even hire cleaners to help because they simply don't have enough time.
Have there been any changes in the way people do housework compared to the past?
Yes, a lot. In the past, people used to do everything manually. Nowadays, technology has made life easier. We have washing machines, vacuum cleaners, and dishwashers that save time. Still, even with technology, the workload doesn't completely disappear. Someone has to manage it all.
Do you think men and women should share housework equally?
Yes, of course. Everyone lives in the house, so everyone should contribute. I think it's outdated to expect only women to handle chores. Sharing housework creates fairness and shows respect between family members.
That's the end of today's IELTS speaking practice on housework and cooking. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you practiced along and learned how to speak naturally about your daily routines, chores, and cooking habits. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to subscribe to Learnivo on YouTube, like this video, and share it with your friends preparing for IELTS. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next session.